Hi, this is Joyce and Moico, and today we're gonna talk about one of the linear data structures called stack.
What is stack? A stack is a linear data structure that follows a particular order in which operations are performed. The order may be LIFO, last in first out, or FILO, first in last out. LIFO implies that the element that is inserted last comes out first, and FILO implies that the element that is inserted first comes out last. Real-life examples of stocks are deck of cards, piles of books, piles of money, a stack of plates, and many more.
In real-time application, stacks are used for recursion, expression evaluation and parsing, or deep first search or DFS, and more. They follow the last in first out principle and are crucial for tasks like managing program flow, maintaining history, and implementing undo functionality. Let's proceed to the stack program. This Python program allows users to input the elements of three stacks, calculates their total heights, and check if all three stacks are of equal height. It repeatedly prompts the user for new input, providing the option to continue or exit. These are the program flow. Start. The program starts and enters an infinite loop. Input stacks. The user is prompted to input elements for three stacks. Display heights. The program calculates and displays the total height of each stack. Reduce heights. The stacks are then reduced to the same height by removing elements from the tallest stacks until all stacks have equal height. Display result. After making the heights equal, the program prints the stack's final state. Last one, continue or exit. The user is asked if they want to continue with new stacks or exit the program. If the user inputs Y, the loop continues. If N, the program exits.
Calculate underscore total underscore height stack. This function takes a list of number representing a stack and calculates the total height by summing up all the elements in the list. It uses Python's built-in sum function to add up all the numbers in the list and returns the result. Next, the get underscore stack underscore input. This function prompts the user to input elements for a stack and returns them as a list of integers. The user is prompted to enter the stack elements as a space-separated string. The input string is split into individual elements, or string, using the split method. These strings elements are converted to integers using a list comprehension, and then the list of integers is returned. Print underscore stack underscore heights. This function prints the total heights of three stacks. It calls calculate underscore total underscore height function for each stack and prints the result alongside a label for each stack. The hyphen multiply by 25 creates a separator line of 25 dashes to make the output more readable. Reduce underscore to underscore equal underscore height. To reduce the heights of the stacks by removing elements from the tallest stack until all three stacks are of equal height. It works like in a loop. It calculates the total height of each stack and compares them. The stack with maximum height has its first element removed using pop and the index of 0. This continues until all stacks have the same total height. Next, main function. This is the main function of the program, which coordinates the overall flow of the program. The program enters an infinite loop, while true, to continuously run until the user decides to exit. It prompts the user to input elements for three different stacks by calling get underscore stack underscore input 1 and then 2 and 3. It displays the total heights of the stack by calling print underscore stack underscore height function. It checks if the stacks are of equal height using equal underscore heights function. Depending on the result, it's either print that all stacks are equal in height or informs the user that the stacks will never be equal. The user is then asked if they want to continue or exit. If they choose to continue, the loop repeats. Otherwise, the program exits. Lastly, the entry point. This ensures that main function is called only when the script is run directly, not when it's imported as a module. If the script is executed directly, it calls the main function.